Welcome to our training on how to enroll your brand and products in transparency. Transparency protects your brand and customers from counterfeits by ensuring every unit shipped is authentic, regardless of sales channel or final destination. In this video, we'll share how to complete Step 1 of the Transparency onboarding process. Watch the rest of this Transparency video series in Seller University to learn how to complete each step. With Transparency's product serialization service, you and your customers can be confident that your products are authentic, regardless of who fulfills them. This helps promote positive brand associations and maintain valuable customer trust. In Step 1 of this process, you'll enroll your brand in the Transparency program and choose which of your products you'd like to protect. When you're ready to begin the enrollment process, navigate to the Contact Transparency page at brandservices.amazon.com/transparency/go. Complete each field and select Submit to share your contact information and a few details about your brand with the Transparency team. They'll contact you via email and provide more information like program details, guidelines, and pricing. Next, you'll review and sign the Transparency agreement, and the Transparency team will finalize your enrollment. They'll also share onboarding resources and details on how to access the Transparency portal with you. You'll use this portal to enroll ASINs, generate transparency codes, and access your reports. The brand registry rights owner can sign in using their brand registry credentials. They can also add new users and grant them permission to access the Transparency portal. Check the inbox of the email address you entered on the Contact Transparency page and follow the provided instructions to access the Transparency portal. To add new users, sign into the portal and select Settings. Click Manage Permissions, and if you're an admin on more than one account, select the correct account name from the drop-down menu. You'll arrive at the User Permissions page. Add the new user's name and email address in the Add a New User section. Then select Send Invitation. All pending invitations will populate in the Open Invitations section. You can resend or delete these invitations if needed. Keep in mind that users can only accept the invitation if they have an Amazon account and their account's email address matches the one you sent the invitation to. An invitation will expire if a user doesn't accept it within 14 days. You can add access permissions for a user after they accept their invitation. Return to the User Permissions page and locate the Current Users section. Select Add, followed by which brands the user can access. Select the appropriate permissions for that user, such as Manage Transparency Codes, and click Save. Note that if you give admin permissions to a user, they can invite more users and manage permissions for any users who are listed in your Transparency account. You and other admins can select Edit next to a current user to edit their permissions, or select Remove User Access for this brand to remove all of that user's permissions. After you have access to the portal, you can enroll some or all of your trademarked and brand-registered products in Transparency. We recommend keeping the following considerations in mind before making your selections. Plan how you'll manage your inventory to keep enrolled and unenrolled inventory separate. Also, for every enrolled product, you must be able to apply unique transparency codes to each unit you manufacture, regardless of where those units are sold. Otherwise, you, Amazon, and your customers won't be able to verify the authenticity of these products. Now, you or your approved Transparency portal users are ready to enroll your products. Return to the Transparency portal, select Your Products, and locate the Enroll Your Products section. Select Download File to download a product configuration template, or PCT. You'll use this spreadsheet to let Amazon know which ASINs you'd like to enroll and provide key details about them. This helps ensure these ASINs transparency codes are matched to the correct items. Open the spreadsheet and complete each field for the products you'd like to enroll. Be sure to add a new row for each ASIN. You'll notice the spreadsheet doesn't include a way to enroll products for each of the stores you sell in. Each unit's transparency code is valid worldwide and can be scanned in any Amazon fulfillment center where the program is launched. This includes fulfillment centers in the US, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, the UK, Japan, Australia, and India. After you've provided all required details for the ASINs you'd like to enroll, save the spreadsheet to your device. Return to the Transparency portal, click Choose File, select the spreadsheet on your device, and click Upload to submit it for enrollment. You'll receive an email when your enrollment is complete. Refer to the Job History section in the meantime to check the status of the ASIN enrollment. We'll notify you within 24 to 48 hours if any errors occurred. Return to this page at any time to enroll additional ASINs. You can order transparency codes after your enrolled ASINs have been accepted and appear in the portal. Select the Code Requests tab. A list of all enrolled products will appear. Search and locate an ASIN for which you want to generate codes. Select it and use the quantity field to enter the number of codes you'd like to generate for it. Keeping in mind each unit of the same ASIN must have its own code. You can generate up to 100,000 codes per ASIN in a single request. Use the optional Additional Information section to provide more details about the ASIN. When customers scan the item's transparency code to confirm it's authentic, they'll also see the information you provide here. Select Request Codes to submit your request. We'll email you within approximately 30 minutes to let you know they're available. Now you can return to the Transparency portal to download your codes. Select the Previous Code Requests tab and locate your request. Select Download CSV to download the codes as a CSV file. Or if you plan to print transparency codes in-house, you can choose to either download a CSV or PDF file. This concludes our training on how to enroll your brand and products in transparency. Now you have the tools to enroll your brand in transparency. Choose which products to enroll and order transparency codes for your enrolled ASINs. Search Transparency Step 2, choose Integration Types and Application Methods in Seller University to continue watching this onboarding video series. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!